To say that I'm excited for this trip would be like the biggest understatement ever. I've been wanting to do like a solo Euro trip for my birthday for years now, and I'm so happy that this year I've got the opportunity to do so. I am leaving for Paris in 3 days. I'm going to do a little like long weekend there. My birthday's actually next week. My college decided to make spring break the week before my birthday this year, which is really weird because usually it has spring break the first week of April. But I'm not complaining because it definitely seemed like a sign that I should utilize this opportunity to do some traveling while I'm here in Europe. And I decided to book a stay in Paris for a few days because I have never been, and I definitely feel like it's a hot place for fashion and fashion creators right now. Because of the flight that I bought, I only can carry like a tiny little suitcase with me. And I figured that if I outfit planned beforehand, that I would really only bring the bare essentials of what I need and the outfits that I planned, instead of throwing a bunch of clothes and hoping that I can make something out of it once I get there. I'm definitely the kind of person to like plan ahead and make the outfits ahead. Leaving everything to the last minute like really stresses me out. So I thought I would take you all along with me through the like outfit creation process and packing process, so we can figure out what fits I will be wearing in Paris. So the first outfit that I planned was the travel day / airport outfit. I decided to throw on my navy and gray Adidas sweatpants. They're really comfortable, they're really basic, and they're just perfect for traveling, and I don't really care if they get dirty or messed up. I paired these with my baby Milo black top. It's really just a basic like baby tee. Like, the priority is definitely comfort, because I don't know how the temperature is going to be on the flight there. I'm going to throw on a sweatshirt over that. This is a vintage United Colors of Benetton sweatshirt. And then I just paired that with my everyday black Adidas leather sneakers. Because I can only take like so much in my tiny suitcase, you know that I am putting on the layers on my trip so that I first am warm enough, and second so that I can take everything I want to bring. So I also threw over this gray wool coat. It's a little cropped and I don't really know how to describe this. I think it's like a very, very old Zara and I got it off Vinted, but I love this jacket, especially for layering and for warmth, and I really love the way that it looks with these sweatpants, the business casual sort of contrasting with the sportiness. And then I decided to bring my black leather bomber. It's a little oversized, but it works very well as my heavy coat for this trip and as my outer layer. I think it's going to be a little rainy, so this works well in terms of being water and windproof. It also ties in well with the shoes, and then I decided to pair this with my everyday bag, which I will be taking it in the airport with me. So this first outfit is kind of basic, kind of casual, but it does the trick. It'll keep me warm, it's comfy, and I honestly really love it. For my day one fit, I wanted to bring these G-Star Raw cargo jean sort of pants. They're a little long for me, but I love the fit so much that I decided to bring them anyways. I wanted to contrast the edginess of the jeans with this beautiful thrifted lace tank top. I love this top. I got it at Goodwill a few years ago, I think. And then keeping in trend with the feminine styling, I decided to add this baby pink wrap cardigan that I got off Vinted as well. I love this so much, and I've actually ended up pairing it with a lot more things than I thought I would end up pairing it with. In all honesty, I'm so in love with the way the cardigan and the top look together. I love like the intersection of the white lace and the baby pink. I really think it looks so good, and then it contrasts and stands out against the grunginess of the jeans, I would say. Although I feel like a pair of heels or loafers would look really cute with this outfit, if I'm being realistic, this is the day that I'm going to do a lot of walking, so I'm just going to pair this outfit with my Adidas again. I think they look fine, but I don't think they bring that much to this outfit. So to make up for that, I decided to add some of my new vintage bracelets. I have one that's a little thicker and then one that's a little thinner, and I decided to just stack them on my wrist for a little extra interest in the outfit. I had a hard time deciding which necklace to pair with the bracelets, but I ended up on this sort of chunky heart locket necklace that I feel like beautifully ties into the feminine aspects of this outfit. Depending on the weather and how cold it is, I might wear this gray button-up cropped jacket as well as the black leather jacket. However, for the sake of this styling video, I decided to just wear the gray leather jacket, but don't worry, if it is cold, I will definitely be wearing the other on top as well. I will say I definitely like this gray color in combination with the pink and the white lace and the jeans. I think this actually looks really good, and I'm really happy with this outfit. So this next outfit is more of a fancier going out outfit. I'm definitely going to be going out one of the nights that I'm in Paris. I wanted to be a little fancier and wear a skirt, but I'm pretty sure it's definitely still too cold for a mini skirt. So I decided to opt for this midi skirt from Offcut Studios. I definitely don't wear it enough, and I love it so much. I paired it with this black top from Zara, I think it's vintage, and then I decided to try on my sheer socks for the first time. The socks ended up being a little longer than I was hoping. I was kind of wanting there to be a stretch of like skin between the sock and the skirt, but it's fine. It looks okay. I definitely think the jewelry is one of the most important parts of a going out outfit. I decided to put on the 2 silver bracelets from earlier, and then I added one more. This was more of like a gray silver snakeskin sort of bangle bracelet. I definitely think this added so much to the outfit. And then I put on the same 2 necklaces again. I don't want to bring too much jewelry, and I want to just sort of reuse the same pieces that I'm bringing. But yeah, I think the jewelry I've chosen so far definitely changes the outfit so much already and makes it look so much more elevated. I decided to go a step further and add a belt as well. This is a very old vintage Guess one that I stole from my mom a long time ago. So my original idea with the mesh socks was to wear these sling back heels with them that I thrifted at Goodwill, and I think they look good together, so I'll probably end up taking the mesh socks as well. Looking at the outfit now, it definitely elevates the outfit and makes it a little more fancy, a little more formal, and that is what I want on my going out night. I didn't end up pairing any of the jackets with this outfit for the video, but I will definitely be wearing one when I wear this outfit for real, because it's definitely going to be colder at night, so I'll probably end up wearing both the gray jacket and the black leather bomber. For my last full day, I decided to start with a little more color. I chose these, they're sort of like camo pants, but they're very much Y2K, like tan cargos with like an embellishment detail and some studs. And then I paired this with a very like sporty Y2K striped 3/4 sleeves top that I bought off Vinted. Although the cargos and the top are both like neutral colors, I feel like they contrast off each other and just sort of make the others stand out a little more. I decided I definitely wasn't going to be warm enough with just the top, so I decided to put on this like double-breasted jean jacket with the button details. I got this for Christmas and I haven't actually worn it since, even though I love it so much. This is quite like a controversial pick for this outfit, but I actually ended up really loving it. Because there was quite a bit going on in the top part of the outfit, I decided to pair this with my trusty black Adidas just to match a little with the outfit and not draw away from the top. In terms of color, I think this outfit is very neutral, but I feel like the textures and tones and shapes are definitely what make this outfit interesting. And while it's definitely out of my comfort zone, I think I love it almost more because it is and because it's something that I wouldn't traditionally wear. So those are all of the outfits that I am packing for Paris. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be posting a vlog of my days in Paris if you are interested. I love you so much. Have a nice day. Until next time. Bye.